Hey guys, it's Ryan from Ryan Anthony's and Milan Building and Contracting. Just another day. Just left the house, snuck out. Just saw my son at the bus stop, so timed it pretty perfect as I was driving past. And we're off. So today's a more of a running around day. So I have to go look at a few jobs. We're going to look at a job right now in East Northport. We just started a full first floor renovation for our construction company in Massapequa. So I'm gonna go stop over there and see my partner. We're actually starting a little earlier because another project that we started this week in Comac, that customer got COVID. So we obviously can't go on the job site for a week, which messes our schedule up a little bit, but we roll with the punches with what's going on nowadays with regulations and people being sick and whatnot. So I think after that I have to go to look at another job in Farmingdale with another very good friend of mine who's basically become family. He's owns another plumbing company and I do all his boiler work. And I'm gonna try to sneak in a cigar today. I brought a cigar with me. What else? Oh, and then I have a meeting with a local supplier that's new to the island, FW Web. I've mentioned them a bunch of times. They've been really, really good to us, as are other suppliers, but they want to take me to lunch today and talk about some marketing stuff. So should be an interesting day, and I'll video it and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. All right, so I just left a super nice customer, new customer in East Northport, and we're doing a boiler next week, so that's great. But before I got here, my supervisor calls me and says that there's a customer on the phone that hasn't had service since 2017. It's 2022. And says it's the same problem from 2017, which we did a regular tune-up back in 2017, and wants free service. So I'm gonna make that phone call now and I'll get back to you guys after I hang up with her. All right, stopped in over at the office. So I talked to that customer that I told you, oh, this door's stuck. Told you didn't want to pay for service because we were there 5 years ago. So I spent a good half an hour of time on the phone, but I got to the bottom of it. It wasn't anything related to what we did, even if it was 5 years ago. I explained how a system works to her, and she seems happy now. They were upset because they called another plumbing company yesterday and they paid them $450 and they didn't fix it. So I guess that was the frustration, which this time of year happens after the holidays. You know, people are tight on money, and I get it. So now I'm gonna go and check on Bob, and I'll take some video of the project that we're starting. All right, talk to you guys in a little bit. I really need to either get my GoPro going again, or Frank, my marketing guy, is looking into a camera, because there's some good phone call conversations you guys could be hearing right now, but I'm on my phone video, so I can't be videoing and talking on the phone. So I'll work on that. So we're about to pull up. Now before I go in, I'm gonna see what the over-under is on Bob being a little grumpy today. Sometimes he gets grumpy when he has to go work in the field. So, but in 20 years I know Bob, first time yesterday, was it yesterday? The day before, the guy said he loved me. So it's always nice when your partner loves you. So let's go see. What's up, guys? This is all brick. We got to demo this whole wall out, which it is already. And it's, what time is it? 10:30. Hey, Bob.
I called your office.
I didn't see you over there. You're on video.
I called your office.
Say good morning.
I called your office.
Come on.
The four-side air.
Say good morning.
No.
Just this is going to be the master bath. We're going to fully reconfigure it. This is the master bedroom. Everything's all gutted. Homeowner did a lot of the gutting, to be honest. We just came in to finish it off. Obviously that brick is going to be a lot of work. All right. It's going to be the kids' bedrooms. So we're separating it. So one bedroom, got a wall up, second bedroom. Hallway. These radiators are coming out, and we're going to put in hydro air systems. What's up, buddy? Hey, all right. This is going to be a new bathroom for the kids. Big bathroom. Kitchen. Nice big kitchen here. We did talk him into taking that wall down, so we're gonna measure for that today and opening everything up. And then, what's up, pal? And then this is gonna be the new washer dryer room. This will be nice. We're gonna try to put built-ins for the kids hang your jackets because they use this store here the most. They don't really use it for. And then this is the den. So Bob's gonna do something nice with the ceiling here. He's gonna come out and figure all this out. So it'll be nice. Gonna need a bigger dumpster. All right, so that's good. We're actually gonna get a header installed today. I was just talking to Bob about it, so that'll be nice. I'm gonna have him hopefully take some video on it because I can't stay. I gotta go meet Peter at another job, so I'm not going to Farmingdale just yet. I have another stop in West Islip. So this is a lot of like the day-to-day. When I'm not putting a boiler in, this is usually what I'm doing, which is fine. I enjoy it. But yeah, we'll definitely keep progress on this job. So basically, now I got most of my office stuff done. I did my running around done. I have about an hour to kill before I have to go to that meeting this afternoon. So I'll start getting the jump on tomorrow's installation. And I'll put all the trimmings on this boiler tomorrow. All right, so that's basically how we dress a boiler before we put the jacking on. I usually put the jacking on, I usually wait until we get downstairs. I don't want to dent the new jacket. But that's what cast iron boilers look like, even brand new. I know they look old, but that's just the way the casting is. So we put a coil in. Tomorrow's getting a coil and 2 zones. So we got the 2 pumps. I make all my final adjustments when we get there. Obviously, I leave it a little off. So if it gets moved in transport, we just have to tighten it and tighten it the other way and level everything out. And then, you know, it saves usually 45 minutes to an hour on the job tomorrow. So we try to do that for each install, which is why I love Peerless. Peerless boilers, you know, I can hook that hand truck right up to this, carry it down with the 2 zones on it. Obviously, if you go 3, 4, 5 zones, you can't put all the pumps on. So we usually put a union if we have time to build it in the shop.